Why WIT? That's a great question, and I'll sum it up in 3 letters. W for wisdom, I for inspiration, and T for talent. All is what I have gained from my interactions at WIT for over 20 years. This is Marva Baylor calling in from Atlanta, Georgia. Great to be here with you today.
I absolutely love the vision and mission of Women in Technology, from the classroom to the boardroom. In my several years of being associated with Women in Technology, I have grown both personally and professionally, and the organization has truly contributed to my successes. I hope to continue being a part of the WIT vision and seeing more women in the boardroom.
Women in Technology, WIT, is so important to me, more so now than ever. WIT provides women and men with the ability to network and create greater gender diversity in technology. Thank you, WIT.
WIT is opportunity. It's support, it's a community, it's empowering, and it provides me opportunities I wouldn't have found elsewhere.
I was recently asked the question, why WIT? Women in technology today has become a hot topic, and it is an important one. WIT does not only talk about the importance of educating our youth or helping women find a seat at the table, but I have witnessed firsthand WIT paving the way for women in our next generation in walking and finding their purpose in STEAM. So I believe the real question should have been, why not WIT?
WIT is about lifting each other up. It's given me a platform to help other women in STEAM, and I've seen the mission in action, and I feel so lucky to be a part of it.
When I was asked to create a video on why women in tech is so important, I thought to myself, how much time will they let me talk? Because if they let me, I'd talk about the importance of WIT for days. But in the interest of time, I'll give you the highlights. As a girl growing up, I didn't have an organization like WIT to encourage me to stay interested in technical subjects. So I didn't stay interested because I thought I wasn't smart enough. Throughout college, I didn't have an organization like WIT providing opportunities to explore STEAM careers, so I didn't go for a technical major. As a young professional, I didn't have an organization like WIT to expand my professional network and connect me with mentors. Luckily, I eventually found and joined the Women in Tech movement. So, why is WIT so important? As a direct result of WIT, I have a job in the tech space that I am so passionate about, a mentor whom I love, and an incredible calendar of social and educational events.
Why WIT? WIT's power for women in the Atlanta IT community is the ability to create connection, to build a support network, to enhance their skill sets. Why WIT? Through its networking capabilities, it aligns the passion of the Atlanta IT community to women early in their careers and those wishing to advance their careers. That's why WIT.
Why WIT? Now more than ever, we need organizations that not only inspire and motivate girls and women in the STEAM fields, we need the next level that WIT provides, the preparation and the positioning of these girls and women for long-term success. That's why WIT.
My name is Andreen, and I am a single mom.
My name is Andriana Hamright, and I am a single mom.
My name is Ariel, and I am a single mother.
Hello. My name is Bernice, and I'm a single mother.
My name is Delilah, and I'm a single mom.
My name is Jacinth Thomas, and I am a single mom.
My name is Carmen, and I'm a single mom.
My name is Kathy, and I am a single mom.
My name is Kelly, and I'm a single mom.
My name is Kelsey, and I am a single mom.
My name is LaShonda, and I'm a single mother.
My name is Marilyn, and I'm a single mother.
Hi, my name is Nisha, and I am a single mother.
Hi, my name is Nikira, and I am a single mother.
My name is Shanina, and I'm a single mom.
Hi, my name is Sonia, and I am a single mom.
Hi, my name is Nicole, and I'm a single mom.
My name is Tiana, and I am a single mom.
Hi, I'm Tyranny, and I'm a single mom.
I am Lorraine, and I am a single mom.
We are all part of WIT's Single Mothers Program and will be cybersecurity technologists.
Hi, my name is Constance, and I am a single mom of 2 little girls and a part of the Women in Technology Single Mothers Program. Because of you, we have the opportunity to change our lives, and not just our lives, the lives of our children, the lives of our families. We have got to keep this program going. We have to keep it alive so that we can continue to reach and impact so many more women like me, women who need WIT, who need that support and that guidance, and who are joyful to be a part of the experience. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you to the sponsors, and thank you to WIT, and thank you to all of you who came out tonight to support us, to support WIT.